I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I stand on the floor.
I stand on the floor.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I step into the bathroom.
I step into the bathroom.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I dry my face.
I dry my face.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I pick up my toothbrush.
I pick up my toothbrush.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I dry my hands.
I dry my hands.
I open the bathroom door.
I open the bathroom door.
I leave the bathroom.
I leave the bathroom.
I walk to my bedroom.
I walk to my bedroom.
I open my wardrobe.
I open my wardrobe.
I choose my clothes.
I choose my clothes.
I put on my shirt.
I put on my shirt.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I look out the window.
I look out the window.
I walk into the kitchen.
I walk into the kitchen.
I take out a glass.
I take out a glass.
I pour some water.
I pour some water.
I drink the water.
I drink the water.
I put the glass in the sink.
I put the glass in the sink.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I take out some bread.
I take out some bread.
I slice the bread.
I slice the bread.
I eat my bread.
I eat my bread.
I chew slowly.
I chew slowly.
I swallow my food.
I swallow my food.
I close the fridge.
I close the fridge.
I sit on a chair.
I sit on a chair.
I stand up again.
I stand up again.
I walk to the hallway.
I walk to the hallway.
I pick up my jacket.
I pick up my jacket.
I put on my jacket.
I put on my jacket.
I put on my trousers.
I put on my trousers.
I put on my socks.
I put on my socks.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I open the front door.
I open the front door.
I step outside.
I step outside.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I walk down the street.
I walk down the street.
I breathe fresh air.
I breathe fresh air.
I look at the sky.
I look at the sky.
I wait at a traffic light.
I wait at a traffic light.
I cross the road.
I cross the road.
I continue to walk.
I continue to walk.
I take a short break.
I take a short break. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe.